Hi, welcome back to our channel. After almost 3 months of waiting, our Google AdSense Pin has finally arrived. Google did apologize. They said it was due to the COVID-19 crisis. Our channel was monetized last February 2020, and once we hit the $100 threshold, they then sent the pin last March. And now our channel is properly up and running. Although we still have a long way to go, at least we now have something to look forward to. So once you get your pin, you just need to log into your Google AdSense account, and you'll see this notification here asking you to verify your billing address. And this space right here is where you enter your pin. Then just click Submit. But you will still see the prompt right here saying that your payments are still currently on hold. That's because you haven't finished verifying your address yet. So the next step is to go to your payment options, and then you will see this big red notice. Click Verify Now. This is where it gets a bit interesting. Google will deposit money to your account, which is less than $1. And this is just to verify that you have a legitimate bank account. In my case, it took about 1 day for me to receive the money from Google. And then you just need to enter the amount. Then click Verify. And that's it. Your bank account is now ready for use. You can now start receiving the revenues from your videos. Shortly after that, you will receive an email confirming the verification of your account. Well, that's it, fellow YouTubers. I hope you found this video useful, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.